you've got all this amazing data at your fingertips and you can create the charts you want, the charts you need. So it just makes you a much more powerful marketer and a much more powerful advisor to your clients.
So for me, the agility of Ipsos Digital comes from having that trusted framework I've used for other MPD projects, but being able to get it done with real momentum. And it's the momentum as much as speed for me, in that I can have finished concepts to put in front of consumers on a Tuesday, and then say Thursday or Friday later that week, I can go back to my marketing team and the innovation team with consumer feedback straight away.
What Ipsos has done really well is it's helped us be able to test and validate, and in some moments actually disprove those assumptions, which has been really super helpful.
There's so many different options that are given to you, but at the same time, it doesn't sort of overcomplicate the process.
They've actually found growth segments they didn't even know existed. So it's actually been really powerful for them to be able to tap into those from a commercial point of view. It's meant that the creative work that we're developing has been so much more relevant. We've been able to push creative tension and do that with quite a lot of confidence, because we know that the work is built on some real insight, as just opposed to kind of, the thumb in the air feeling that a lot of our clients were working on.